As we celebrate the beginning of a new chapter in leadership, today I welcome Soumya CS, English teacher, to deliver the welcome speech.
Today we gather here where we celebrate leadership, responsibility, ensuring compliance and safeguarding public welfare. So, your presence here today honors us greatly. Welcome to this event, sir. Next, I extend our DM. Her unwavering dedication and tireless efforts have steered our school towards excellence. Under her guidance, IJCS has not only maintained high academic standards but also fostered a nurturing environment for holistic development. We are truly grateful for your leadership and commitment. Welcome to the ceremony, ma'am. Moving on, a heartfelt welcome to Sister Anjana, who diligently manages are invaluable to our school community. Welcome to the ceremony, sister. Next, I'm privileged to welcome our staff secretary, Aruna BR. Here, exceptional organizational skills and dedication have been instrumental in coordinating various activities and maintaining effective communication within our school community. Ma'am, I heartfully welcome you to this event. A special welcome to all our dedication and your presence enriches this sermon. Welcome to this English teacher sermon. Last but certainly not least, a warm welcome to our enthusiastic
നമ്മളിവിടെ കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ് സെലക്ഷനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു അവാർഡ് സ്പോർട്സ് സെറമണിക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും ഞാൻ എന്നെ ആദ്യമായി പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തുക നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാമല്ലോ, ഞാൻ അരുണാചൽ എക്സൈസ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ കഴക്കൂട്ടം. എക്സൈസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? എക്സൈസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു എൻഫോഴ്സ്മെന്റ് ഏജൻസിയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, പോലീസ്, ഫോറസ്റ്റ് എന്നിവ ഒക്കെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു എൻഫോഴ്സ്മെന്റ് ഏജൻസിയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ജോലി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഫിസിക്കൽ മെന്റൽ സ്റ്റാറ്റസിനെ സ്വാധീനിക്കുന്ന ഏതൊരു സബ്സ്റ്റൻസും, ഫുഡല്ലാതെ അതിനെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ലഹരി എന്ന് പറയും. അപ്പോൾ ലഹരി എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാം. ലഹരി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളെ സ്വാധീനിക്കുന്ന ഫിസിക്കൽ അറിയാം. അപ്പം ഈ ലഹരി സംബന്ധമായ കുറ്റകൃത്യങ്ങൾ ഈ അടുത്ത കാലത്ത് വളരെയധികം പ്രാധാന്യം വഹിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ലോക സമൂഹം ഒരു ദിവസമൊക്കെ ആചരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞ മാസം നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു സെറമണിയൊക്കെ നടന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതായത് ലഹരിക്കെതിരെയുള്ള നമ്മൾ പങ്കാളിയാകുന്നത് അതിൻ്റെ കടന്നു കളയുമെന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു.
Captain Adina Manish. Please join me in applauding their spirit and families as we joyfully march forward. Now we have come to the most solemn moment of the investiture ceremony, oath-taking ceremony. The head boy and the head girl will formalize their allegiance to the institution by taking oath. I call upon the head boy Abhinav L for the oath, and I request our chief guest to administer the oath.
I, Abhinav, solemnly promise in the name of God that I shall discharge my duties and responsibilities entrusted on me in the capacity of an employee of Infant Jesus Secondary School, with sincerity and devotion to the institution, the authorities and students. I shall work for the progress of the school wholeheartedly. I shall obey the rules and regulations of the school and set an example to our infant Jesus. I,
Nivedita Yeki, solemnly promise in the name of God that I shall discharge my duties and responsibilities entrusted on me in the capacity of head girl of Infant Jesus Secondary School, Pomomore, Trivandrum, with sincerity and devotion to the institution, the authorities and the student community. I shall work for the progress of the school wholeheartedly. I shall obey the rules and regulations of the school and set an example to all like Infant Jesus.
Now chief guest for the photo session.
House captains, forward march! We, the house captains of
or duties or responsibilities on us in the capacity of house captains of Infant Jesus Secondary School, Pomomore, Trivandrum, with sincerity and devotion to the institution and set an example for other members of our house. Now,
Lakshmi K. I represent the language club. Our motto is, the more you practice, the better you get. Thank you. Math Club.
I'm Alpha John of Max Club. Our motto is mathematics, where challenges become opportunities. Thank you.
Science Club.
I'm Punyas Prakash from Science Club. Our motto is the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Thank you.
അമ്മേമോൾ ഒരു ക്ലബിലാണ്.
Social Science Club.
I am Megha MS from Social Science Club, and our motto is somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Thank you.
ICT Club.
I am Advait Ajay from ICT Club. Our motto is future coding is a gateway to the digital world. Thank you.
Arts Club.
I am Anushree AS. I represent Arts Club and our motto is where imagination meets expression. Thank you.
Sports Club.
I am Rishona Kise, member of Sports Club. Our motto is a healthy mind always in a strong body. Thank you.
Health Club.
I am Kailas. I am from Health Club. Our motto is health is wealth. Let's cherish it today and tomorrow. Thank you.
Echo Club.
I am Agniano from Echo Club. Our motto is keep nature as nature for future. Thank you.
Now, at the end, I would like to call Abhinavil, head boy, to propose vote of thanks.
നടക്കാൻ വയ്യ.
Good morning, everyone. I'm deeply honored to have the opportunity to extend word of thanks on behalf of IGCS. Firstly, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Arunasham sir, for taking the time to share for your valuable insights and experience with us today. Your words have been truly inspiring and have given us a lot to think about. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal, Thank you, Jan. A special thanks to our teachers and staff who worked hard behind the scenes to make this event memorable. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my fellow students and everyone who contributed in any way for making this event possible. Thank you all once again and have a great day.